Good morning everyone. This is Sharath from Civil Engineering Department, PDAT Engineering College. So let's move on to the topic. So today's topic is a road development plan. So here we have a road development plan of three categories. First one is a Nagpur road development plan, and second one is a Bombay road development plan, and the third one is a Lucknow road development plan. So before moving to the topics, first one is a Nagpur road development plan. It is also called as a first 20-year road development plan. So it is from 1943 to 1963. So we have in this Nagpur road development plan, we have two categories. First category, which includes the surface roads, that is a national highway roads, state highway road, and a major district roads. So to calculate the length of the state highway, national highways, and major district roads are to be calculated with the help of this formula. And second category is to calculation of other district roads and village roads. So the both other district roads and village district roads are considered as an unsurfaced roads. Okay. So first one is the length of national highway, state highway, and major district roads. So it has given that formula a by 8 plus b by 32 plus 1.6 n plus 8t plus d minus r. So here a is the agricultural area and b is the non-agricultural area in a square kilometer, and n indicates the number of towns and villages with the population ranges from 2001 to 5000. So and next one is a d. D is a development allowance of a 15% of a road length calculated for the agricultural and industrial road development during the next 20 years. So here the development means, so for the calculation of the total length, in that we have to leave for the development allowance, that is a 15% of the road length. So again under R is an existing length of a railways. Here we have left the T. So T is the total number of villages and towns with the population more than 500. Okay, in the further problem we can get an idea about these things. And the next one is the next category is other district roads and village roads, or unsurfaced roads, calculation of an unsurfaced roads. So here the formula is 0.32 times of the V plus 0.8 times of the Q and 1.6 times of the P plus 3.2 times of the S plus D. Here D is common, that is a development allowance for the 15% of the road length. Okay, so here they have given that denomination, that is a VQPS. Okay, these are all the number of villages with these ranges population from. V indicates, see here, population which is equal or less than the 500, and Q the number of villages with the population 501 to 1000, and here P indicates the number of villages with the population ranges from 1001 to 2000, and again S indicates the number of villages with the population of 2001 to 5000. So these are the formulas to calculate the length of the surface roads and unsurfaced roads by using a Nagpur road development plan. So here next move on to the problematic. If we consider, see, for the first 20-year road development plan, so following data were collected from a planning the road development program of a backward districts. So they have given the total area of 9600 square kilometer, and second one is an agricultural and developed area, that is a 3200 square kilometer, and existing railway track, that is R. Okay, 105 kilometer. The existing length of the surfaced road is 322 kilometer. Okay, existing road means already it has given the length of the national highway, state highway, and the major district roads. So here next one is the existing length of the unsurfaced roads, that is a other district roads and village roads. So here the number of towns or villages in the different population ranges they have given in the tabular column. Okay, so here the population ranges from more than 5000, that is 8. So here the formula is given, that is a T. Okay, T indicates that the population which is more than the 5000 is indicated as number of villages is 8. Okay, like that we have to see this. Next, calculate the length, additional length of the surfaced and the unsurfaced roads for the roads system based on the Nagpur road development plan for this district. So they have given already existing roads are given. Okay, if we construct a construct an further roads which includes the existing roads, we got some of the distances, right? That distance have to be find out by using the Nagpur road development plan. So here the solution is first thing is to find out the surface roads. Okay, so in that they have also given the formula that a by 8 plus b by 32 plus 1.6 into n plus 8 times of the t and d minus r. Okay, a is an earlier I said that a is an agricultural area. Okay, they have given that so a is the 3200 square kilometer. See here, the agricultural and development area is 3200. In the given data they have given that. Okay, so here a indicates as 3200 divided by 8 plus here they have given the b means non-agricultural area. Okay, b we have to calculate with the help of a formula. See, b is a total, they have given the total area. Okay, here see the total area is given, so in that we have to minus the agricultural road agricultural and development area. So by minusing the both the values we get 9600 minus 3200 is equal to 6400 square kilometer. Okay, this is the non-agricultural area that indicates a b value. Okay, b value, so we have to write is here 6400 square kilometer divided by 32 plus n, that is n is a number of population which is ranges from 2001 to 5000. Here 1.6 into n. So here we can see that the population which is ranges from 2001 to 5000 is given is number of villages and town is 40. Okay, 1.6 into 40 plus 8 into 8. Here 8 times of the t, 8 is the constant and t is the population which is ranges from 5 above 5000 population. So the number of villages which is equal to more than 5000 population is 8 towns. Okay, so that is written here 8 into 8. Okay, after we are all calculating these things, okay, we will get the total length. In that that is total length is 728 kilometer. So here for this 728 kilometer the development allowance should be kept for a 15%. Okay, the for that calculation 15 by 100 into 728, that is a total road length. Okay, minus of r is an existing railway length. Okay, here they have given that existing railway track length is 105 square kilometer. So by calculating all the things we get 732.2 kilometer which is surfaced area. Okay, we got the surfaced area. Existing surface area is 322 kilometer, right? So by minusing both the answers we get additional surface road needed is 410.2 kilometer. So this is the calculation of an surface road. Next move on to the unsurfaced road conditions. So here they have given formula for the unsurfaced road. So 0.32 times of the v plus 0.8 times of the q plus 1.6 times of the p plus 3.2 times of the s plus d. D is the allowable development allowance, that is a 15% of road length. So here in the tabular column they have given that population which is ranges from, okay, different categories. For v is 590. Okay, 0.32 times of the 590. So here they have given that, see, less than 500 population, that indicates of 590. Okay, so like that we have to take the values of v, q, p and s from the tabular column. So by applying all the readings in that formula we will get the answer of, see here, we will get the answer of 748.8 kilometer, that is a unsurfaced roads. But here we have to add the 15% of a d, that is a development allowance. 15 divided by 100 into 748.8, that is a total road length. Okay, we have to multiply and take the 15% of that total length. So by adding both the things we get 861.12 kilometer. So finally we will make the round of, so 861 kilometer. Okay, so they have given the existing unsurfaced road is 450 kilometer. Okay, existing length is 450 kilometer. By minusing the both answer, that is 861 minus 450, we will get the 411 kilometer. Okay, this is the additional length of the unsurfaced road length. Okay, so this is the method to calculate the length of the roads in the first 20-year road development plan. Thank you.